All right, I've got a new safe here by ADIMO or ADIMO. I have no idea how it's pronounced. This is the model BX. Oh, Christ. I'm just going to put the number on the screen so you can see it. This is biometric, and it's got a capacitive sensor keypad fitting in here. And of course, nothing is happening. Why is nothing happening, you ask? Well, I haven't bothered putting any batteries in here. Why have I not bothered putting batteries in here, you ask? Well, there's no point to it. This thing is fitted with a piece of crap lock, basically. That's what the interior looks like. These things are just plastic. The bolts are fairly impressive looking on the outside, but I'll show you just how unimpressive they really are in a moment. So how bad is this lock? This lock takes a laser cut inner groove key. This is basically a wafer lock. The tabs on these wafers extend into the bottom of the keyway. One more time so you can see the lock is working. And now to open this, I'm just going to use a Goso HU100 pick. I've used this before in other videos. I disassembled the raking portion of this tool so I could rearrange these components in whatever configuration I want in the sleeve that functions as the tensioning part of this tool. So I'm going to slide these in here like that and hold these components together. And basically I'm going to use this like a jiggler key. And it's open. I'll give you a look at the bolts. That's locked, open. And you can see when I open the bolts, they're only about an inch long, and they're all attached to this piece of hardware. This whole plate gets drawn back by this tiny little motor here and by the bypass lock. The lining is a nice lining. The faux brass chrome on the front of the shelves looks nice. The anchors holding the shelving in place, they're solid. So these are not just like some little plates flopping around inside of here. Cosmetically, it's nice, but there are other security issues. Take a look at this in here. This cable passes through a hole here right out to that keypad fitting, which is just held in place by some very small screws. Anybody could pop that fitting off and then have access to this hole. And then you could send in a piece of coat hanger wire and grab this wiring right here for the motor and power up the motor directly and open the safe. But you know, there is one good thing about this. I have been wanting a key-locked cabinet for storing ammo. I think what I'll do in the next video is strip this down, take all the electronic guts out, all the junk I don't want, replace the lock, and then I will have my key-locking ammo cabinet. So thank you, ADIMO, or however you pronounce that, for the cabinet.